Servus and welcome to Motor Top. Yeah, as you know, I test every kind of vehicle. Today I will test an electric scooter for you. Yeah, I got a scooter from AUSOM. It's the model L1 and it is ABE certified. That means it's certified for road use in Germany. Yeah, and maybe this scooter is different to the scooters you already know, because this scooter has some off-road abilities with a real suspension. And of course, due to we are living here on the countryside, a beautiful countryside, we will test it in these conditions. If you are interested in this scooter, just check out the links in the description. But now let's see what's inside the package. And that's all what's inside the package. Of course we have the scooter, the steering bar, this must be the display, of course the user manual, and of course the charging wires, and that's the front light, and we have some covers for the screws. Okay, so let's mount everything together. So at first we will unfold the scooter. Then we mount the steering bar. You can turn the steering bar to adjust it to your personal ergonomics. And now we unpack and mount the display. Yeah, and here we have the NFC card for unlocking the bike. And don't forget to mount the front light. And connect it. Finally, we can add some cable ties. And mount the covers for the screws. So I guess that's it. Now let's have a little closer view. We have some ergonomic grips. Here you see the front suspension and the rear suspension. The battery is right there. The charging connection is right there. With this screw you can fold and unfold the scooter. Here you can adjust the height of the steering bar. Let's have a little quality check. Yeah, most of the parts seems like to be casted or forged. No sharp edges. We have a wire protection, very good for off-road. It looks pretty easy, but it works. Very nice. Yeah, also the side stand looks very solid. We have all the equipment for the German ABE specification. We have the turning signals left and right. We have a little bell. Oh, that's loud. We have the front and the rear light. At the front and rear we have a cable activated brake with brake discs, and we have really big tires, very wide. Of course we will test the off-road abilities in the gravel, the mud, the grass. Let's go! Yeah, climb, 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 climb! Bum, 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 bum. No problem! Brake! Woo! Little stoppy. And now some wheelies. Woo! Yeah, also some huge bumps and holes and jumping! Try the grass field. Yeah, it's very bumpy. Woohoo! Yeah! Or we try a skate park. No problem.